Hey guys, it's Miss Cáceres. I hope you enjoyed your 5-day week off, or 5-day weekend if you want to see it that way. This week we will be learning how to divide decimals by decimals. Here is our first problem. A wall measures 96.5 inches tall. You need to install 3.25 inch tall siding panels. How many panels do you need? When dividing numbers with decimal points, remember that the decimal point placement is key. So let's remind ourselves of the steps we need to take when dividing. First, we divide the number within the house and the number on the outside. We multiply by putting a number on the house, multiplying by the number outside of the house, and putting the answer within the house. Then that answer that we have, we will subtract it from the first original number inside, which will give us 4 in this case. And then we bring down one more number to do it again, and so on. So you can see the rest of the problem solving itself here, bringing down each number until we get 0. Now let's go over the steps of how to move the decimal point when dividing decimals by decimals. Step number 1, we're going to move the decimal of the divisor outside the house as far to the right as we can. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to move the decimal of the dividend, which is inside of the house, by the same number of spaces. 1, 2, in this case. Step number 3, move the decimal straight up onto the answer line. In this case, the decimal point was moved right up. And then we divide like normal, as you see here. Now, think of the division sign like a house. With all division problems, the first number goes inside of the house. This is the first number, so we're going to put that inside of the house. And the second one goes outside of the house. This is the second number, so we're going to put it outside of the house. If you forget, think about a problem you know. For example, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. You wouldn't say 2 divided by 10. To work it out, you'd say 2 divided by 10 because 2 goes into 10. So that's how you would do that. So again, a quick reminder of how to do the problem. We have 8.91 divided by 0.33. Remember, this one goes outside of the house, which is the second number, and the first number goes inside of the house. We're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. 1, 2. The same with the one inside of the house. 1, 2. This is what you should have once you've removed the decimal points. Now, the decimal point that was left here will be moved straight above the house. And then you begin multiplying by normal. For example, you would multiply 2 by 33, subtract the result, and then 7 by 33, and subtract the result. In this case, it ends in 0. Here's another look at a similar number with a little more digits to it. We have 8.91 divided by 0.0033. We are going to first put the first number within the house, 8.91. The second number goes outside of the house. Now we're going to move the decimal number of the number that is outside the house. And you're going to move it as many times as it goes the farthest. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do the same with the number within the house. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to fill in the empty spaces with zeros. So we add those zeros that we're missing and the decimal point. Remember that the decimal point is going to go straight up and above the house. And now you start multiplying. As you can clearly see, since we added zeros, zeros are going to be added to our answer. Well, I hope that was clear for you guys. Can't wait to see you in class. Enjoy. Bye.